Good morning, everyone. How are you? How are you all? Hope you all are fine nowadays. Yes, good morning. So, let's start your EVS class today. And today we will start a new chapter, that is Let's Celebrate. Yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. So everyone open your book at page number 63. Let's celebrate. 63. Here is a small poem. A boy is saying this poem, and I am also start to say this, and you have to open your book and say with me. Okay? You have to open your book and say with me. So see what is let's celebrate. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. See them fly. Who can fly? You know this? Yes, birds can fly. So look at the sky. See them fly. Fireworks shooting up so high. You know all about fireworks, right? That fireworks we celebrated in the puja in Diwali, in puja, Durga Puja also. So red, yellow and green, so bright. Bang, pop, whiz on Diwali night. Right? So fireworks shooting up so high. Fireworks shooting up so high. Red, yellow and green, so bright. When in this Diwali night or in this Durga Puja also, we fire in this firework. We give fire in the firework, and when it's go to the sky, that time when it's broken up, so that time we can see a lot of lights, green, blue, yellow, a lot of lights, and those sounds, bang, pop, whiz, those lot of sounds we can hear also, right? We can hear also. So those fireworks shooting up so high, and that time we can see those bright lights, red, green, yellow, blue, and those sounds, bang, pop, whoosh. So those all sounds we can hear, and we celebrated Diwali here. Yes, she's fireworks. So that is about festivals. We celebrated those festivals with our family, with our friends, right? Because these festivals is a happy occasion, and we have lots of fun of festive days. We have lots of fun on festive days, and we celebrated them with our family and friends. We celebrate them with our family and friends. So these festivals are happy occasion. We celebrated them with our family and friends, and we have do lots of fun. So today we have to know about the Diwali, because just some days before in November month we just celebrated Diwali, right? We just celebrated Diwali, so that's why we have to know about Diwali, that why we celebrated what is Diwali. So Diwali is a festival of lights. Festival of lights. So Diwali is the festival of lights, right? Sorry, this Diwali is a festival of lights, and we celebrated it by lighting up those candles, those diyas, and that day we pray to Goddess Lakshmi. We pray to Goddess Lakshmi, and we decorate our home by those lights, by those electric lights, those Chinese lights also we can call them, those tuni lights, and those others lights, we keep them on the roof of our house, also in the balcony, in the rooms, and we decorate them, and there are lots of lights, and we get happy by see those lights. So those, as the Diwali is the of lights, that's why we lighting up those diyas, those many candles, and those Chinese lights also. And that day some people pray to the goddess Lakshmi, and it is decorate their house. We all decorate our house on that day, right? Because after this day we celebrated Kali Puja also. And after 2 days, we also celebrated Bhatriditya or Bhai Phota, right? So that time there is some lot of festivals together: Diwali, Kali Puja, Bhai Phota. Lot of festivals we celebrate, and we enjoy this, and we are so happy on these occasions, and we have a lots of fun on those vacations, right? On these vacations. So that is about the Diwali. So why we celebrate Diwali? You have to know this, right? Because that time Lord Rama, as we call the Bhagavan Ram, so Lord Rama returned to Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya after 14 years of exile. 14 years of exile. So Lord Rama returned to Ajodhya after 14 years of exile, because that time Lord Rama didn't live in his house. He just moved one place to another place, one forest to another forest. That is 14 years, and we call them the exile periods. So these 14 years of exile, the Lord Rama returned to his home Ajodhya, returned to his home Ajodhya, and that day we all celebrated the Diwali. Some of us pray to the goddess Lakshmi. We all decorate our house by those lights, electric lights, Chinese lights, candle, and diyas. And we have a lot of fun also, because we celebrated Kali Puja and Bhai Phota also on these vacations, right? So that is about the Diwali. And the next is the Christmas. So what is about the Christmas? Christmas, that is, we celebrated on 25th December. Celebrated on 25th December. In this month we have to celebrate. After some days we all will go to celebrate this, right? On the 25th December. So in this Christmas, we celebrated in a particular date on 25th December every year. That is the day, particular fixed date of the Christmas. And why we celebrate it? Do you know? We celebrate it because that day Jesus Christ was born. That day Jesus Christ was born. That day Jesus Christ was born. And on that day we also go to the church. Many of you go to the church, right? With your parents, with your family members. And that day we go to the church, yes. And we pray to Jesus Christ, and we give them the flower of rose and candles also. When we go to the church, we take rose, flower, and the candles to pray. For praying, we go on that by taking those things. And that time we also decorate our house. When we go to the church, we can see there are lots of Christmas tree and lots of balloons, flowers, right, and those jingle bells also, right. You can see them this in the church, right. So those Christmas tree, jingle bells, we can decorate those by those things in our homes also. That time many of us buy those doll of Santa Claus, right, because we believed Santa Claus give us gift. Santa Claus brings gifts for every children on this day. So the 25th December or the 24th December, the evening times, that time or that evening time, we believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for every children. And that time we also eat cake, right. After some days we are going to eat lots of tasty, delicious cake, right. So that is the about Christmas. The Christmas we celebrated on 25th December because that time Jesus Christ was born, and on that day we go to the church to pray to the Jesus Christ, and we give them the rose candles, and we some of us decorate our homes, decorate church by Christmas tree, by those bells, jingle bells, flowers, balloons, etc. And that day we believe that Santa Claus brings gifts for every children. So have you get any gift from Santa Claus? What is lie, Anshika? This Santa Claus, gift of Santa Claus. Santa Claus we believed. If you believe that Santa Claus give gift, that like that you get gift also. Which things? Anshika? Yes. So which Antara and Akriti Anirban said that they get gift from Santa Claus. Very good. So which gift you get from the Santa Claus? Hope you all get a lot of gifts. Yes. Anshika didn't get gift from Santa Claus. You have to put your you will get gift from Santa Claus if you believe him. Yes, Anik also get gift. So which gift you get, Anik? Aritro, Akriti, Adrija and others. May you all get a lots of toys, those chocolates, toffees, right? Yes. Very good. So this the celebration chapter, let's celebration chapter, we very good, only get a lot of gifts. So on that day festivals are happy occasions and we celebrate them with our family and friends. We celebrate them with our family and friends, and we have lots of fun on those festive days also. And those Diwali and Christmas we celebrated with our family. In Diwali we celebrated by lights up our homes, by light up those candles, those diyas, and we pray to the goddess Lakshmi also. And we celebrated also Kali Puja, Bhai Phota on that time. And the Christmas, as I told you, to decorate those church, to pray and go to the church to Jesus Christ, and we eat cake, we decorate by those Christmas trees, jungle bells also, right? Oh, Anshika, you didn't get any gift from Santa Claus? Don't worry, one day we will get this, okay? Don't be so sad. So we discussed today about Diwali and Christmas, okay? And the previous days in the videos we discussed about the people at work, right? And on this chapter we discussed about the cobbler, carpenter, barber and tailor. So we learned that cobbler who mends our shoes, carpenter makes furniture for us, barber trims our hair and the tailor stitches our clothes. And in the question time we already discussed, hope you all completed it because I gave a homework to solve the crossword. So take the correct word. I already gave the answer that when I am ill I go to a doctor. At school, I learn from my teacher. The postman brings us letters, and the policeman catches thieves. And this crossword, this problem solving, I hope you all solve this because there are some pictures, there are 5 pictures and those blank boxes. So you have to fill those boxes by write their name from those pictures. So first picture we can see that is a doctor, second one is cobbler, third one is barber, fourth one is teacher and fifth one is a tailor. So there is a box, those blanks box and you have to fill them, right, by mentioning their work's name. And the doing time, that is write the names of the workers who are seen with those things. So we can see those scissors and comb to the barber, the board which already written here, that is teacher, stethoscope we can see to the doctor, those saw machine we can see to the carpenter, those tailor machine and the piece of clothes here we can see, and that things we can see to the tailor, we can see to the postman. So that's too easy, right? That's so enjoyable homework and hope you all completed it. So today in your online class we discussed about the let's celebrate on this Diwali and Christmas. So you have to read those two festivals very attentively at your home, because if you read those things very attentively you can remember those things, that what is Diwali, what is Christmas, why we celebrated those festivals and how we celebrate it. Okay everyone, so read this very attentively at your home and you have to remember it also. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day, and who are present in this class, write here P once because I have to take attendance. Okay, so write here P.